me on the battery. You did. I think this battery died out. There. Oh, come on, girl. Be good. She's being picky. She's been asleep all night.
Half Joe.
Come on. In, on, in. Good. Alright, something's not right here. This is in. This is good, good, good. Alright, this is where everything's right. Is alive!
Yep.
It's not right. What's going on? All about. Okay, good, 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 good. This is what we need.
Come on, honey. You can do it.
Something is not going right here. Back to the drawing board. Everything off. Okay, let's roll in. I think we killed the battery. That's that I don't understand, because everything is where it's supposed to be. Why she's not getting fuel? Alright, sorry guys. I gotta get a jump cart. Battery is toasted. This will not take a minute. Director of maintenance, but I couldn't find Brandon at first. So.
I wonder what people are thinking when a helicopter won't start.
Yeah, thanks for that.
We already said it.
It's on tape, I'm sure.
You'll be fine.
No, you're gonna need your adapter that you just pulled off, I think.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you are. Well, he pulled it off of one end, thinking it was on the other end.
Maybe we really shouldn't get up any more than 10 feet in the air.
Hey, I can burn an hour sitting in a hover. I mean, you want to try that? I don't know if you're gonna get much visual going on. You ready? Just wait. Yeah, what is going on? had no power, and it wasn't keeping the engine going because I hadn't got the alternator on immediately. So usually there's enough to sustain it.
My motorcycle did that once.
Yeah.
It had enough power to crank it over, but it didn't have enough power to keep it running.
Yeah. It was just that. So now that we got the alternator on, now it's all charged and everything's ready to rumble. All right. Go ahead and put your headset on, Mike.